Hello viewers, welcome back to another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this saber saw from Parkside, the model PFS 850A1. Power consumption 850 watts, stroke length 28 mm, no load stroke rate from 0 to 2800 SPM, max cutting capacity 200 mm in wood, 20 mm in steel, chuck keyless for effortless cuts in wood, plastic, metal and lightweight building materials with a 3 years of warranty. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice durable case, I like that. In the past I have made other videos with saber saw, but this one it works with 220 volt. Manual, if you want to read, is your choice. The cable length, it is 4 meters, I like that. Huge length. And we have two cutting blades for wood and for metal. Soft grip elements, and here the trigger, lock button, press the trigger and then the lock button and it will work continuously. Rotary wheel, speed adjustment from 1 to 6. The release handle, press and you can rotate any which way you want, left or right. And of course here at the right and at the left you can install the new carbon brass. After a long time of use, maybe you need to replace the carbon brass. At the front we have the foot plate, the chuck and the LED working light. So it is very easy to install. Just rotate this keyless chuck and install the blade. That was all. The same and for the metal blade. And we have the lever to adjust. First speed. Nothing like the 220 volt. Definitely it has power, I can feel that. So let's move on and test it. powerful tool to cut any material with the right blade at a cost of only 45 euros. I like the results. I think it has a good potential to finish any type of job, renovation and more. Thank you for watching. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the notification bell. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.